Hey guys, today we are going to learn about variables in Python. First, you can name your variable any name you want it to be. I'm just gonna name it var1. Then put the equal sign. And if you want to assign a string value, you have to put quotation marks. And if you want to put integer, you just type in the number. So I'm going to assign a string value to the variable. First, I put quotation marks and I'll store Chilion in var1. And to print out var1, you just type print var1. And Chilion is being printed out. And now let's try printing out an integer value. I'm going to assign the value 123 to var1 and let's run it again. And 123 is being printed out on the terminal. Next, you also can create as many variables as you can. I'm gonna create another variable var2 and assign it to a string Chilion. And if you hit run, it will still print out 123 as you print var1. If you want to print var2, you can change this to var2 and Chilion will be printed out. If you want to print both variables at the same time, you can print var1, var2. 123 Chilion. And you also can do math with variables. First, I'm going to change this to 345. And in the print statement, I'm going to assign var1 plus var2. So it is going to print out 1, 2, 3 plus 3, 4, 5, which is 468. We can also make another var3 and the value can also be var1 plus var2. And in the print statement, we don't need to write var1 plus var2. We can just write var3 and see 468. We can also change var1's value to any number you want, like 789, and var2 to 146. And it will print out 935. And that's it for today's course. Bye!